Being a dope DJ is not everything. It's a big part of what we do, but it's not everything. And if you're looking to excel in the world of private events, mobile events, private event entertainment, you have to think bigger than just being someone that can crush a dance floor when you're hired to someone's event and you're part of someone's party. What's up, everyone? I'm Jason. Welcome back to my channel. A lot of content here to help DJs become better DJs in business, performance, and all things, sales, marketing, all of it. I try to tap into a lot of different areas to keep the content flowing to help people that are looking to excel in the world of events. This has been my life for a very long time. If you're new to the channel, I want to take this opportunity to invite you to support me and the channel with some sub love down below. Now let's get into this. I feel like connection is so important. I feel that storytelling is so important. And I feel that if you're looking to take your service from like here and bring it to here, you're looking to get better rates, bigger contracts, bigger opportunities, you're going to have to focus on not just what you do, but how you do. And I feel that the conversation that I'm trying to relay to you in this video is about the importance of connection. And if you're looking to excel in the world of, let's just say, wedding entertainment, it is so important to be able to break through the business transaction and to connect with the people that are considering you for their big day. You see, I feel that I've learned something along my journey doing this. As a full-time wedding professional and event DJ for now greater than 15 years, I've gone through big ups and big downs in this business. I've gone through periods of time where I was struggling. I've gone through periods of time where we were like living on the top of the mountain. We've gone through a pandemic. We've gone through crazy amounts of debt caused by the pandemic. And here we are on the other side of it, and we're just thriving in year 2025. Now, I say this not to boast and to brag about the things that we've done, but we've kind of worked on this business, not just from a skill, DJing perspective, but from a business perspective, from a presentation perspective, and from a story perspective. I feel like one of the things that has allowed our team to go from like here to here is the connection that we have with our couples. I think it's so important to meet with your couples. If you're a wedding DJ and you're not meeting with your couples, you need to meet with your couples because it is like something that can literally help you not only close contracts, but build better relationships, whereas your couples can in the future become brand ambassadors for you, sing praises about you and your services to people that they run into that are planning events in the future, and so much more. I feel that the power in what we do is we're part of these moments in people's lives that are so insane. They're so complex. They're incredible in a lot of different ways. We provide the soundtrack, and we're the ones that lace all the details together and create an experience for someone's once-in-a-lifetime, God willing, celebration that you're being hired to be part of as wedding DJs. Now, if you're a mitzvah DJ or a Sweet 16 DJ, just apply it to your world. I'm going to talk about weddings because that's like really what I do. One thing that I've realized in my time doing this, especially in the world that we're living in today, is people want to be heard. This new generation of people that are now getting married, they want to be heard. They want their wedding to be their wedding, not just a rinse and repeat of what someone else had. So I feel like the conversation and the connection is so critically important. I feel like if you're a DJ watching this and you're struggling getting booked, you're struggling closing deals because maybe like you're just sending out these boring ass packages to people and they're reading it and they're just thinking it's like a buy off the shelf thing that you offer, you're missing the mark and you're selling yourself and your business and even your potential couple short of what it is that you bring to the table. See, we're all authentic in our own way. And one of the secret sauce for SCE is we have these incredibly talented options for people to consider for their celebration, all at different price points and technical and talent abilities. We're like all superheroes in our own world based on like the things that we're all experts at, and not everyone is an expert at the same thing. And that's like the beauty of SCE. What I've learned going through the process of evolving this company, going from someone that charged a little over $1,000 to someone that charges over $5,000 just for music for 4 hours, is it's all about connection and it's about conversation and it's about taking the time to listen to the people that are vocalizing what it is that they either expect, they're looking for, or what they're all about when you have a conversation about someone's day. Now, if you work at a company and someone does the sales for you, try to do your part to connect with the people that are considering hiring you. Also, like as you start putting out content, think of speaking to the people that are potentially considering hiring you in that content. Make sure the things that you release actually speak to the people that are interested or could be interested in hiring you. I think that's a big deal. The higher you go in this industry in terms of services and investment, I think the different types of expectations, are brought to the table. I feel that people are willing to invest a lot more than you probably charge or I probably charge. The thing is, the transaction has to make sense, right? So what is the story? How am I going about being the solution to the thing that they need? And how am I going to bring all the things that they're looking for out of their day to the surface so that the investment makes sense? And I think it's better to be the thing that people can't go without than to just be another option in a universe of people playing in the same sandbox. The point of all this is the connection, the conversation, the asking, the listening, and then the replying from people that are DJs with people that are planning. And that's the big takeaway here. I feel like if you're looking to elevate your experiences from this price point to this price point, you might be able to do so without remixing every single thing you do, but by leaning into and leaning on more conversation. I've got a question for everyone. Is this a topic that you'd like to see more of here on this channel? I'm thinking about putting together some thoughts. I'm thinking about putting together more videos, but focusing on sales, the how, the why, and how I go about navigating the complexity of not just booking myself, but other DJs here at SCE, and then how we work through our processes to accomplish what we do here in the world of weddings in the Northeast United States and beyond. I want to hear, is this something that even benefits you? Do you connect to this message? Please share with me in the comments down below and let me know. The power is connection. The power is conversation. The power is communication. And it's so, so important. If you can lean into that a little bit more within the world of people that you're talking to, I think it can help you not only close more opportunities, not only create more opportunities, but you'll be able to eventually command more for your efforts, for your work, and for the things you bring to the table for the people that are considering you, hiring you for their events. Anyway, I want to hear from you. Drop in the comments down below. Make sure you smash the thumbs up and be on the lookout for more content coming right here to this channel in the days, weeks, and months ahead. And thank you for watching.